This is a short presentation for the MICROP project. First of all, we have a look at the code. This code is set up so that it's all configured the ports. We are using port B, port C, port D, and port E as well. And we are using an interrupt as well, a low priority interrupt. We export the code, we will give it a name, and export it to hex file. Save the file, and then here you open Proteus. You make it sure that it's 20 megahertz, and you open the hex file from the where you saved. Now we have a look at the setups. We have two LEDs. The LED will represent the buzzer. One LED will ring for when there's lower than 5 ringgit, and one will ring when the credit falls to 0. There we have a binary counter. We also attach a 7 segment to make sure it looks a lot easier for those who cannot read binary. Next, we have the kilometer count where it counts the total kilometers. Moving on, we have the credits display. It will display the total amount of credits and it will decrease when 5 kilometers has passed. Also, we will be using a switch to generate a pulse. The pulse will be attached to an interrupt and the interrupt will run its program. Here we go. We're going to simulate this. Initialize at 30 ringgit and we press the pulse. The kilometer will go up by 1 kilometer. The binary will go up to 5x maximum, but when it reaches 5, the credit will drop by 1. So here we're going to fast forward it. And we click very fast, make sure that it just goes up. What can be improved here is that the kilometer display. It has only double digit. Next time we can make it to triple digit. We have more time and more semesters to go. Okay, the next interesting part is when it drops below 5 ringgit. That is where the LED is supposed to light up, representing a buzzer. The LED is configured to light up for 1 second and dim for another 1 second before light up again for 1 second. See, there we go. It's functioning now. It may look a bit out of sync to normal time, but if you look at the animation time, it's actually 1 second exactly. Next, we're going to drop it down even lower than 5 ringgit. When we have reached 0 ringgit, the red LED lights up, signaling that your credit has run out, and it lights up continuously, not for 1 second, it just lights up non-stop. You'll be buzzing in your ear. And there we go. That's the end of the presentation, the short presentation. Hope you enjoy it, and thank you.
To subscribe, click on the button down below.